One day,
Isang araw,
I saw my mom.
nakita ko yung mama ko.
Very good. She is very beautiful.
Maganda siya.
Whoa! She wears color black shirt.
Nasuot siya ng nadamit color black.
Okay. I saw her,
Nakita ko siya
walking on the street.
lumakad sa street.
And then,
Pero,
I saw her,
nakita ko,
kissing my dad. My papa. Kissing my papa. I saw her kissing my papa.
nakita ko, nakikiss si Papa and Mama.
Okay. And then, Papa was shocked.
Si Papa nagulat.
Because
Kasi,
Mama is very fat that time.
si Mariel ang mataba.
So, Papa said to Mama, Papa told Mama that she is very fat. Papa told Mama that she is very fat.
Si Papa,
Ano sabi ni Papa kay Mama?
mataba.
Okay. Mama got angry.
Ha?
Mama got angry.
Gumalit siya, Mama.
Nagalit si Mama.
Galit si Mama.
So, Mama went into the gym.
Pumunta si Mama sa gym.
Okay, very good. To lose fats.
Walang taba.
Naulit naman, Mama. And then
Kasi,
Mama became sexy.
Wait. Gulat ako.
Galing dodong ko. Hug mo na ako. Sleep.
Nagulat ako ng teacher din.
Tabay na ba?